Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Woodpeckers Deep Dive. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Paolini Pocket Rules. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll know about every one of our new videos. Okay, let's take a look. The first thing that we want to talk about with the Paolini rules is that without all of their extra features, they're great rules in themselves. Both the aluminum and the steel, you have beautiful laser engravings, accurate to 0.04 of an inch over the whole length of the blade. High contrast, you've got the white on the red, or you have very deep black on the satin chrome blade. So one of our customers' favorite features of the Paolini is this stop mechanism. Now, a trick that has been around as long as the combination square is to use the square to make repetitive marking. A couple of problems with this, though. One, it's big. And the other is there's nothing to control the pencil, so it's really easy to fall off one edge or the other. With the Paolini, there's a notch milled right into the end of the blade. Now, the very compact stop fits up against the end of the board. The notch controls the tip of my pencil, and I have excellent control for my parallel line. So let's see what else the stop can do for us besides set up your marking gauge. We're going to take the stop off, slip it through the cutout in the middle of the blade. Now that becomes a stand that keeps the rule perfectly vertical while we set up the height of our router bit. Now, this is one of those times when I really like the red anodized aluminum rule. The white on red is really nice when I'm trying to set a critical measurement on a router bit. So once you decide that you want a Paolini pocket rule, you still have a lot of decisions to make. First off, there's two different finishes. We have the aluminum, red anodized with the white markings, and we have the stainless steel with the black markings. When should you choose one over the other? Well, for layout work, I like the steel ones. They're thinner, and so the blade is closer to the work, and that reduces parallax. The red ones I really like for machine setup. They're ideal for setting up table saws, and as you just saw, the router table. Now, once you decide which finish you like better, you have your choice of sizes. There's 6, 8, and 12 inch in both finishes. And then the last thing you have to decide is what kind of graduations you want. We have the full inch with 16ths on one side and 32nds on the other. Then we have the combination with inches on one side and metric on the other, and the full metric with millimeters on both sides. So all three graduations are available in all three sizes and in both materials. So that's 18 different rulers for you to choose from. Or you can get them as a set that includes our Paolini Pocket Rule racket, so you can keep your rules in plain sight and always ready to go to work. Hey, thanks for watching our deep dive today. If you enjoyed it, be sure and hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you'll always know when we're coming out with a new video. Thanks for watching this edition of Deep Dive. We'll see you next time.